Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you my favorite okra soup recipe. So, before we dive into the cooking, let's talk about okra itself. You see, okra is often misunderstood. Some people love it, people like me, while others can't stand its slimy texture. I know a few persons, I wouldn't point finger. But the truth is, okra is a nutrient-rich superfood that is packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, numerous antioxidants. In fact, okra is an excellent source of folate as in folic acid, which is a vital vitamin for reproductive health. However, I want to debunk a common school of thought that has been flying online. I've been seeing it online. The use of okra water to boost ovulation. Let me tell you, folate doesn't directly boost ovulation or aid conception. Its primary role is in the prevention of birth defects during pregnancy. That's why it's advisable to take your folic acid in your first trimester of pregnancy. That way, you will minimize the risk of neuro defects. That's a kind of brain damage in infants. So, okra is an excellent source of folate, but it doesn't boost ovulation because folate itself doesn't boost ovulation. However, there are other ovulation boosting supplements like vitamin E. Vitamin E can be found in almonds. All your nuts contains vitamin E. Most nuts, let me not say all, contains vitamin E. We have sweet potatoes, avocados, they are rich in vitamin E. Also, garlic, onion, and apple contains quercetin, a compound called quercetin, which helps in reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress helps fight free radicals in the body and prevent cell damage. That way, your ovulation is secured because it's going to boost ovulation and overall health. Now, let's talk about other benefits of okra. Okra is very, very good. It's a vegetable that supports healthy digestion, blood sugar levels, and heart health. It is very low in calories and high in fiber. So you can serve a plate of okra and eat to your satisfaction. Remember, fiber boosts satiety, and since it's low in calories, you're on the right track. So, moderation is key because okra contains toxic compounds like solanine. Solanine is a toxic compound that can trigger joint pain and worsen arthritis symptoms. Yep. So if you have arthritis or you are prone to having one, you want to eat okra in moderation. Also, if you have history of kidney stones, please, in fact, consult your healthcare provider because okra contains oxalates. There are other foods that contain oxalates and the quantity varies. Okra contains oxalates, and oxalate is known as the building block of kidney stones. Yes, okra it helps breed kidney stones. So, if you have joint pain or kidney issues, please consume okra in moderation or avoid it altogether. Now that we've got the basics covered, let's go back to our cooking. So, I already poured in my grounded crayfish, pepper that is mixed with opeye. Opeye is a local Maggi that helps boost the flavor of meals, and it's also very healthy. So now we'll be frying our ogbono. In a pan, add your oil, your onion, and then the ogbono. Please, your oil should not fry for too long. Do not heat it up for too long. Onion, on the other hand, goes very well with okra. They are besties. For your ogbono, please, immediately you pour it into the pot containing your stock, Ensure you allow it to boil for a while, say 5 to 10 minutes. This way, it will get done and reduce allergies. So once our okra or our ogbono is ready, we are going to pour in our okra. Neatly cut okra. See the size now. I had to cut it this way so I can pick it in the soup. I like picking my okra. I added uziza leaf to extract its flavor ahead of time. And now I'm adding my ubaka. Just 5 nylons. I think that should cost 1,000 now. 5 nylons of ubaka or more if you have the means. Ubaka is a rich superfood too. It is high in protein and other minerals. So my people, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more recipes and healthy tips, of course. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can stay updated on all my latest videos. See how greenish this looks. Bye. See you in my next video.